Having iPhone glitches like slowdowns or app crashes? Restarting your iPhone can help. This soft reset turns the device off and on without deleting any data. Let's dive into how restarting your iPhone can fix these issues. Part 1. What happens when you restart your iPhone? Restarting your phone clears RAM, closes apps, and refreshes performance. Back up important data before rebooting. If problems persist, consult a service center or consider a factory reset for deeper issues. Part 2. When do you need to restart your iPhone? Restart your iPhone to fix slow performance, connectivity issues, or software glitches. It refreshes the system, resets network settings, and clears minor bugs for improved functionality. Part 3. How to reboot the iPhone. iPhone X and later. Press and hold the side and volume buttons until the slider appears. Drag it to power off. Press the side button to restart. iPhone 8 and SE 2 and Gen. Hold the side and volume buttons. Drag the slider. Then press the side button to restart. Part 5. What to do if iPhone won't restart. If restarting your iPhone doesn't resolve issues, try iOS system recovery. It fixes major problems like black screens or devices not turning on, helping restore your iPhone to normal functionality. Step 1. Install and start iOS system recovery. Launch the iOS system recovery and connect your iPhone to the tool using a USB cable. Then, navigate to the More Tools section and select iOS System Recovery. Step 2. Verify device information. Click on the Start button to initiate the scanning process for your connected device. The tool will display information about your iPhone on the screen. If your device is not recognized, follow the on-screen instructions to enter recovery mode. Step 3. Download firmware. After your device is detected, check the information and click the Next button to download the firmware package for your iPhone model. The duration of the download process will vary depending on your network speed and the size of the firmware package. Step 4. Fix iPhone won't restart issue. After the download is complete, click the Fix Now button. The iOS System Recovery tool will fix the system problem and restore your iPhone to normal state.